if you're experiencing lag spikes on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate those frustrating interruptions. Step 1. Check for software updates. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower the graphics settings of the games you are playing. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and frame rate limits. This can help the Steam Deck run games more smoothly. Step 3. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and exit any games or apps that you are not using. This frees up system resources for your current game. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Change the power settings to optimize performance. Go to Settings, select Performance, and adjust the power profile to prioritize performance over battery life. This can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 5. Check storage space. Ensure that your Steam Deck has enough free storage space. Go to Settings, select Storage, and check available space. If storage is low, consider deleting unused games or files to improve overall system performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of your Steam Deck, reducing lag spikes and enhancing your gaming experience.